Welcome to my channel for those of you that are new, and welcome back to my old subscribers. In today's video, I am doing something special. If you want to see how I went from these black curls to these popping green curls, stay tuned. So I'm starting off with the wash and go that I achieved from the Doux We1 Easy Leave-In Conditioner and Mousse Depth Texture Foam. I'll leave that information in the description box. And then I am adding my hair paint wax in the color Aquamarine on top of my wash and go, which is about 25% dry. So I'm starting off by sectioning my hair into smaller sections so that I can apply the hair paint wax. This hair paint wax is the color Aquamarine, and it is by the Hair Paint Wax Company. It has a pretty pleasant smell. It smells like man's deodorant or a cologne, and it is very thick in consistency. And I will say that a little goes a long way with this product. I'll also say that it is important to make sure that you rake the product through to ensure that there is no product just sitting on top of your hair, and that it is all soaked through on your strands. This product does apply very easily, and it is enhancing the curls that I already have from the wash and go that I did. And I did this on damp hair, so my hair is about 25% dry after styling it in my wash and go. I'm using gloves just so that the color doesn't get on my hands, but it is temporary hair color, so it does wash out with one wash, and it also washes off of your hands if you don't have gloves to use to apply the color. So again, I'm just raking the product through, making sure that it is evenly distributed, and a little does go a long way with this wax. If you add too much, it can cause flaking, so just use it sparingly. I am just so impressed how this color is showing up on my wet hair and how it is enhancing my curls. Like, this stuff is so bomb. I definitely will be ordering more colors from Hair Paint Wax. So now I have applied all of the hair paint wax. I am going to let my hair air dry for about an hour, and then I will diffuse the rest of it. And here are my final results. I am so impressed. My curls are popping. This color is popping. Aquamarine, baby. Yes, I am loving it. And these dope hair earrings set it off. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you have subscribed. Make sure that you like, comment, and share. And also make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you know the next time that I drop a new video.